This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to insert word art in Microsoft Word. So before inserting word art, we will like to have a little intro about Microsoft Word. That Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is a part of MS Office package. So before going further, let us recall the components of MS Word screen. So viewers, it's a quick access toolbar. You can see right at the top, and these are all called tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View. These are all tabs. So you see that the name of the document, right, how to insert word art.docx, is the title bar, and the portions you can see like styles, editing, paragraph, font, and clipboard. These are called ribbons. So here you can see that there are lots of ribbons, and the grouping is according to the font group, clipboard. This area is basically called the ribbon area, where you can see editing, styles, paragraph, font, and clipboard, and they are basically called the groups. Like we have a clipboard group in the home tab, font group in as well, paragraph group, and one more, styles and editing. And when we click on the insert tab, then you can see a pages group, tables group, illustrations, links, header and footer, and text and symbols. So you can see the status bar, and you can see that you can read it out. Page 1 of 1, word is equal to 0. This is called a status bar. And here you can see that we can scroll up and down with the help of this. So this is called scroll bar. So there are different bars we have discussed. Now we will learn today how to insert word art in Microsoft Word. So word art basically allows you to insert the different styles of text in a document. It makes your document more attractive. To insert word art text, follow the given steps. Click the Insert tab. So we'll click the Insert tab, and from here we can click this word art option. So you can see that we have multiple options, so there are different styles available. So we will click the word art from the text group. So we're gonna select this one. You can choose your own choice. You can extend it up like this and can type Microsoft Word. So we're gonna type Microsoft Word. The text goes like this, Microsoft Word. So this is one of the style we have just selected and added into our document. So you can see that there are various styles available when we click on it, and when we click on it, there are different styles available. And now when we click on the format button, you can see there are multiple shape styles, word styles as well. You can change the text fill, text outline, text effects, text directions, align text from the text group. So from here we're gonna select this one. From here I'm gonna select this one. So here you can see, and the text effect should be like the one of 3D rotation. So we'll select this one. We can select of our own choice, so a suitable one which can have a good presentation like this one, and we can squeeze the box as well, increase the font size as well. When click on it, go to the home section, and can always increase the text size from the font size and can select and change the font size from here. Then go to the font face styles, and from here I'm going to select Britannica bold. I'm going to select the other one like Book Antigua. So this is the better one. I'm going to change the color as well. So for changing colors, I can go to the format sections, and from here I will select a different style like this. From here I'm going to select different color styles like this one. So viewers, you can see that as I choose and select the colors, different word styles, then it changes according to its shapes. Whatever I select it changes according to that. And if there are multiple other options are also available, like if you want to change the position of the Word document like this, it can always change the position. Like if you put it the center, it can always go to position in the middle center with square text wrapping. You can put it to the right middle, top left, top center, and right top. You can select position according to your own choice, and you can rotate them as well. There are multiple options are available. You can rotate right 90, rotate left 90, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Multiple options are here. So, and you can also increase the size from here, the size of the box, increase and decrease according to your margin selections. So the word are text inserted in your document. So selecting the inserted word text, the format tab opens. You can use this word art tool to edit the text. Let us study how to edit word art text. And one more thing I'm going to tell you, that you can select the whole document by pressing the Ctrl A key. Once you click the Ctrl plus A key, it selects the whole word art style. And when you click the Ctrl U button, then you can always underline the document. And when you press the Ctrl B key, then it can always make it bold like this way. You can bold and unbold the document with the help of by pressing the Ctrl B key. So Ctrl U key always put an underline beneath the document, beneath the text of the word style. So there are multiple options are available, and I hope that you find this video helpful for learning Microsoft Word Art, and thanks for watching.